In this video, I'll show you how to use the AI Brainstorm command. This command helps you generate creative ideas by providing a variety of suggestions based on your chosen topic. Whether you need ideas for business, a writing project, or any other task, AI Brainstorm has you covered. AI Brainstorm works within chat conversations, ticketing, and the knowledge base. Here's how it works. When conversing or responding to a ticket, click the / icon at the bottom left corner of the chat screen, then select the AI commands icon. Choose AI Brainstorm from the list of commands, type the topic you want to brainstorm, and press Enter. The command will instantly generate a variety of creative suggestions for your topic. To use AI Brainstorm in the knowledge base, start by creating an article and adding a new paragraph. Type a /, click on the wand icon, and choose AI Brainstorm. Enter the topic you'd like to brainstorm about, press Enter, and watch as the command generates a range of creative ideas tailored to your topic. For further instructions on how to use this function, visit our AI Assist Academy or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist today.